What's up, everybody? Lou Vega from Superhome, yoursuperhome.com. Hope you're having a great day. Hey, I'm on site at a new project. It's a duplex. We are doing 2 smart apartments with connected locks and Wi-Fi provided by the landlord. So if you see this like smoke alarm looking product here, that is the Wi-Fi that's going to distribute to this particular unit. And then we also have one downstairs. This property is equipped with 3 connected locks, 1 for each unit, and then 1 for the main door. And so what this is going to do is allow both the tenants and the landlord to control their locks remotely from anywhere. Here goes the other access point. We also have our smart deadbolt here. They're putting in the door hardware. Here goes our next one for the front door. And then we have one upstairs for our, if you can see it there, for our unit number 2. The brains of the operation is here in unit 1, which will be locked down and only visible for what is required. And yeah, they'll be able to control their apartments from their phone, and so will the landlord. But what's really neat is that this scales. So as you add more apartments to your portfolio, you can add more units into your platform, scale, and manage your entire portfolio all from one central database. So if you have any questions about putting smart technology in your next investment property, give us a call, 215-469-1387. Again, this is Lou Vega from Superhome, yoursuperhome.com. Have a great one.